Parrotia persica is the Persian ironwood. This is a great small to medium tree for central Oklahoma. It's kind of a medium growth rate. It tolerates or prefers full sun, tolerates part shade. This is a very upright growing, either a single stem or a multi-stem tree. The leaves are alternate and simple, and the leaf shape is just a little bit irregular. It sometimes looks a little bit oval with a tapering point. Other times it looks almost squarish. It has a little bit of an irregular tooth, usually on the half of the leaf that's down towards the top of the leaf. You typically see this kind of glossy, medium green color to the leaf with the veins sort of impressed. You can see even the shadows where the veins are sort of pressed into the leaf. That gives the leaf almost, kind of like an imprinted appearance with the veins. That's very typical with this. The plant has a really great fall color. It starts out kind of a yellowish orange and then can mature to really just a deep scarlet red. And the form itself of the plant is kind of interesting with the usually multiple trunks sort of ascending and then having this sort of broad oval dense crown on the tree. The stem is kind of a slender stem. The leaves alternate on the stem, as we talked about in the last slide, kind of a grayish brown. The bark has this sort of patchy mosaic pattern to it, similar to a crepe myrtle, but really more of this cooler gray color. The flowers occur in the spring before the leaves. They have no petals and no real fragrance. They just have these crimson stamens. The fruit is just a small seed capsule, kind of blends into the foliage. So the main reason for planting this plant in the landscape would be its tolerance for Oklahoma conditions. It's very adaptable to our conditions. The form is quite distinctive, and then the fall color, which is a great ornamental feature of the plant.